Welcome to the Preliminary Training School, PTS, for nurses, where we provide comprehensive training for aspiring nurses. Today, we will take a closer look at the training program offered by our institution and how it can help you kickstart your career in the nursing field. Section 1, Introduction. Our training program is designed to equip you with the necessary knowledge and skills required to excel in your nursing career. We understand that nursing is a demanding profession, and that's why our training program is tailored to provide you with a solid foundation. Section 2, Program Overview. Our program covers a wide range of topics, including anatomy, pharmacology, patient care, and infection control. You'll learn about different nursing specialties and gain hands-on experience in clinical settings. Our program is delivered by experienced nursing professionals who are committed to your success. Section 3, Curriculum. Our curriculum is designed to be both comprehensive and practical. You'll receive classroom instruction and hands-on training that will prepare you for the challenges of the nursing profession. Our training program will help you develop the critical thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills required to excel as a nurse. Section 4, Clinical Experience. At our PTS, we believe that hands-on experience is essential for your success as a nurse. That's why we provide ample clinical experience opportunities for our students. You'll gain real-world experience in a variety of healthcare settings, including hospitals, clinics, and long-term care facilities. Section 5, Certification. Upon completion of our program, you'll receive a certification that demonstrates your knowledge and skills to potential employers. Thank you for considering the Preliminary Training School, PTS, for nurses for your nursing education needs. We are committed to helping you succeed in your nursing career, and we look forward to welcoming you to our program.